Hey everyone, my name is Felipe. I'm Griz in Spanish, but I'm a public speaker, I'm an expert in human behavior, and I love to serve humanity through specialized knowledge, to rise level of consciousness higher than they could ever imagine. Well, it's changing everything in my business, it's changing everything in my life, but I think it's changing business and life for everybody, especially entrepreneurs or people aspiring to be an entrepreneur. Because the main problem, business would be better, it would be perfect without people. That's the hardest part, also the most beautiful part. But people are afraid of AI taking jobs or taking humanity away. AI is actually gonna make humans more humans again. Because most of you, your job, you don't like your job, you don't like your boss, but you do it because it makes you money. So now you're gonna have an opportunity that all the boring part of business be taken care of by AI. And now I'm literally calling my best friends like, hey, would you join my company? They're like, what do you mean? I have my own company. It doesn't matter. Let's create something better, because now business is gonna be about fun, about enjoying your time with the people all around, and all the boring tasks is gonna be delegate to AI. So I'm excited for this new world that is starting, and I'm proud of Mindvalley being a pioneer on creating an AI summit. So congratulations on that.